Hey trumpets, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to practice through the song called Flute Loops by Anne McGinty. This is a funky rock piece, and it's got a tempo of 112 beats per minute. Now to practice today, we're going to practice at a tiny bit slower, 90 beats per minute on my metronome, and that'll give us our slow, steady beat to make sure that we're playing all our eighth notes and our notes correctly. Let's get started. In this piece, there is an F sharp in the key signature. So F sharp is second valve. We'll also play B flats. B flats are first valve. Be careful of that. Along the way, we're going to also notice some F naturals. They're also F first valve, like B flats. But be careful of F sharp and F natural confusion. So let's get started, and we'll play the first 10 measures. 1, 2, beginning, ready, set, go. Wow, there's a lot to that opening section. And there were F sharps and F naturals. The first F sharp was actually in measure 2, but then in measure 3, it became F natural really quick. Use a pencil and mark the sharps and naturals so that you do not make the wrong choice of valves. Let's play that opening section one more time. 1, 2, beginning, ready, set, go. Great. Now at measure 11, we have some more music to play. Here, remember the eighth notes, or notice the eighth notes, are in groups of 4, and often the first 2 eighth notes are slurred, and the second 2 eighth notes are tongue. Slur 2, tongue 2. Practice that with me. Measure 11 to 19. 1, 2, 11. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. At measure 19, we have more of the same, different notes, but similar rhythms with slur 2, tongue 2. Let's go from 19 to 27. 1, 2, 19, ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1. Now on that line, that's our 4th line of sheet music. In that line, we've got some A flat notes. A flat in the second measure, or measure 20, is second and third valve. And then the notes after that are all plain, C, E, and F natural. Let's go on, measure 27. We're going to start there and go to measure 35. Again, slur 2, tongue 2, eighth note patterns. 27, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. How are you doing so far? If you need more practice, remember that you can always pause, rewind, and retry any of these sections of the song Flute Loops. And remember that F sharps can pop out of nowhere. So make sure that you remember your F sharps and F naturals. Let's pick up where we left off. Measure 35. 1, 2, 35, ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, stop. You see, in that section, measure 35 had F natural, but measure 36 had F sharp. 37, F natural. But 39 had F natural, and 40 had F sharp. So you might need a pencil just to mark them until you've mastered them. Now it's measure 43. G, G, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, G, B flat, A, G, A. We've got lots of eighth notes. Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 da, ba, 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 ba. Measure 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Rest, 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 rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, and stop. We're up to 51, and in measure 52 is E flat. Second and third vowel for that E flat in measure 52. 1, 2, 51, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. What was that last note we played in measure 58? If you think it's F sharp, you're correct. F sharp because of the key signature. Great. From 59 to the end, it could be either one, depending on how it's marked. 59 to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. F sharp. Rest, natural. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. And there you have it. Flute loops for trumpet part 1. Very tricky with F sharps and F naturals, but like I said, a pencil will help you navigate through it correctly. So now it's up to you to give this piece some more practice time. Try speeding it up until you can get it at 112 beats per minute. That's the goal tempo. And then try playing along with the reference recording and really have some fun with this funky rock song called Flute Loops. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.